Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can dominate in the strongest battlegrounds on Roblox. So here I'm just going to show you guys people fighting, honestly. So basically don't attack that much because you have like a lot of cooldowns here. If you do like the big attacks here, if you do normal punch, there will be like a cooldown, as you can see. I don't really want to fight. I don't like fighting. I don't like losing in these fights. But basically, you're going to want to avoid like the attack. Here, I'm just going to show you guys. And you can use some punches here. As you can see, it does weaken the enemy. And ta-da! You don't have to like fight them all the time. You can kind of dodge them, and then you're able to fight. It's basically just fighting here. There is an all-time champion. It just depends on how many people you battle here. There's like no game modes. You can just like battle everyone here. There's normal punch, consecutive punches, there's shove, and there's uppercut. And those are the four like, I don't know, for combos. You can like also do a combo, I guess. But yeah, that's pretty much it really. You can obviously dodge here. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.